तो महादेव भी तो बोले 5 प्रकार लक्ष्मी कहाँ है? बोले गर्ग संहिता में है। तो बता रहे थे ना, एक होता है
Try to glorify
इस
Srila,
जगत के,
but I want to
जो होता
glorify
है
Srila
लक्ष्मी कहा जाता है,
Bhaktivedanta
धनदात्री लक्ष्मी कहा जाता
Madhusudana
है,
Maharaj.
स्वर्ग देश में स्वर्ग
He was
लक्ष्मी
the
कहा जाता
embodiments of service.
है, एक होता है वैकुंठ लक्ष्मी,
So one
और एक
day
होता है
he came
महावैकुंठ
in
लक्ष्मी,
Mathura and he
और सर्व लक्ष्मी से
gave
बड़ी
some
राधिका।
lecture about the Lakshmis,
इसलिए 5 राधिका के बारे में उन्होंने बताया था।
speaking from Garga Samhita.
जो भी बता गया।
Also, Chaitanya Charitamrita also describes this.
हाँ समझिए। तो
So,
यहाँ पर भी राधाष्टमी का आप बहुत याद दिला दिया जी। यहाँ पर
so
राधाष्टमी
yeah,
पर
now
थे,
you remind me that when he came here in Radhashtami, he was speaking about Shrimati Radhika, this Radha Tata, very
नहीं
nice.
आप ठीक याद किया।
Now you remind.
महाराज जो वो बोल रहे थे तो महाराज उसको फिर 1 मिनट के लिए खड़े करके बोले, अच्छा बताओ ये 5 प्रकार के लक्ष्मी कहाँ का है?
I remember that. Then Maharaj was asking him, "What? These 5 kinds of Lakshmis? Where is this from?" Then Maharaj said, "Oh, this is from Garga Samhita." He was a pandita in Sanskrit, like scholar in Sanskrit. So I'll tell you his life history now.
वास्तव जो था,
Actually,
पिताजी के जो पिसी जो है, क्या बोलते हैं आप, बुआ, उनकी लड़का था।
So he was the son of the aunt of my father. We call him like Chacha, like he's like the youngest brother of my. Are you translating?
वो जो है हमारे पिताजी की बुआ के लड़के।
So actually he was the son of the buआ, means of the auntie of my father.
कहीं देखा जाता है कोई दूर संपर्क हो जाए तो लोग रहते नहीं है, किंतु उनके साथ जो है, उनके परिवार के साथ हमारे परिवार के जो है,
so his family and mine
समय तक जो है, अनेक समय तक, माने कई पीढ़ी तक,
for many generations, like for example, normal people generally they are related by some generations only, or maybe they just meet in the marriage ceremonies, wedding ceremonies, like this. But his family and my family, we're so much together. Why? Because when he was born, after 7 years old, his mother died. His house name was Kanai. So when he came, Param Guru Maharaj gave his son Krishna Kripa Brahmachari.
तो ये जो है कि हमारे घर में जब उसके माताजी चले, उसके मन बहुत ये हो गया।
So when his mother left, my mother
उनके पुत्रवत स्नेह करते थे,
took care of him as like a son.
लाना पिलाना स्नेह करते, इसलिए मेरे घर में आकर के
So he stayed in my house. Not for a long time, but for some time. And then also Sheshai Prabhu and this Kanai Prabhu who used to make kirtans in Bengali. Three of them, they left the house and they came to Navadvip. The 3 of them, Kanai Prabhu, Sheshai Prabhu and him. So you know Kanai Prabhu who used to do kirtan in Navadvip. In Brajamandala Parikrama also he used to do kirtan in Bengali. Lila Kirtan also. So 3 of them, they left their house, and they came to Navadvip. So they came to the feet of Param Guru Maharaj. So he was the youngest. So and Kanai Prabhu, Sheshai Prabhu, and Kanai, so 3 of them, they came together. So Srila Bhakti Pragya put him in a school in Navadvip. Then he so he passed matrix, I don't know, mathematics, I didn't understand. Then also he was very good in Sanskrit.
99%
So like in Sanskrit he was so good. He would like maybe his grades 99%, very good. So then he went in this Sanskrit school and he studied Sanskrit there.
तो संस्कृत पंडित होने के नाते
So because he was a Sanskrit Pandit,
scholarship मिलता था।
he got
उस
so
समय
many so
और
many
महीने जो है मैं तो देखने
scholarships.
तब जो है उस समय 150 300 रुपए मिलता था।
Maybe 250 or 300 rupees used to get scholarship. 300 rupees as scholarship.
स्कॉलरशिप जो करते
Some scholarship of 300 rupees every month. Maybe 250 or 300 rupees per month.
उस समय की बात जो है।
But at that time,
तो उसी प्रकार
like
संस्कृत में बहुत ज्ञान बहुत है, शास्त्र में बहुत ज्ञान।
so he had so much knowledge in Sanskrit.
एक एक शब्द के जो है तोड़ेंगे और एक एक शब्द के बोलेंगे। कहाँ से आप सही तो उनको देखा ना वो जब
maybe you've seen him when he was speaking about Srimati Radhika, about his 5 Lakshmis,
फिर सारे लक्ष्मी को लेकर के राधा जी सर्व लक्ष्मी श्रीमती राधा देवी कुसुमी पुत्र
and then he spoke about Srimati Radhika and everything.
सर्व लक्ष्मी राधिका की यही व्याख्या उन्होंने कर। तो इसके बाद क्या हुई?
So
फिर जब स्कूल में संस्कृत संस्कृत होने के बाद फिर उस देवानंद गौड़ी मठ के जो है
so after studying Sanskrit,
त्रिविक्रम महाराज जी के इंचार्ज बना दिया था।
Param Guru Maharaj made Trivikram Maharaj in charge of Devananda Gaudiya Math, but he was in charge maybe for only
गौड़ी मठ में छोड़ दिया, बोले मैं चिचोड़ा रहता हूँ।
only for like
गौड़ी मठ में वो चला नहीं पाया। क्यों होता है कि
maybe 1.5 year only.
कठोर शब्द होता है और देखा ना लोग के सामने ऐसे बोलते।
Because Trivikram Maharaj was very hard, very harsh, very strict with the people, very harsh. But those who are in charge should have love and affection of everyone, have to have like sweet nature. Then the money will come to the temple. But Srila Trivikram Maharaj used to speak so much harsh words, little bit, so it was very difficult to him to maintain the temple, like to be in charge of the temple, and especially also is Navadvip Dham. So Param Guru Maharaj said, leave Navadvip Dham and go for asking, begging alms in other places. Like until nowadays, in our Gaudiya Mata, we don't ask for beg alms, like we don't ask for donation in Navadvipa. Param Guru Maharaj told they are Dhamvasis. Actually have to serve the Dhamvasis, not to take service from them. So we don't beg for alms in Navadvip. If somebody gives naturally, okay, but we don't beg in Navadvip. Until now. For Janmashtami or other things, when I've been in Navadvip, I've seen that we don't, if somebody gives some donation naturally, okay, but we don't beg for alms, like a donation in Navadvip. So the rice that comes from outside.
मिदनापुर
from from Midnapur
और
Bardhaman, other places.
नवद्वीप के रेल पार करके जब वो बर्धमान पड़ जाता है वहीं पर जाते हैं गुप्तीपाड़ा। किंतु नवद्वीप के अंदर परम गुरु महाराज ने कहा था, भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज ने कहा नवद्वीप में कोई भिक्षा मत करना।
No, so Bhakti Pragyana told nobody should ask for alms donation in Navadvipa. If somebody gives like naturally, it's okay. Another thing.
मैं तो था देखा मैंने।
So I've seen.
तो उसके बाद जो इंचार्ज बने,
so when he became in charge of the temple,
मैं देवानंद गौड़ी में करीब आने के बाद के 1.5 साल मैंने रहा।
when I came, I stayed maybe
केवल 1.5 साल।
only 1.5 year in Navadvip. After that, I came here.
81 में मैं आया था। सन 81।
I came to San Ekasi.
लास्ट में इधर आ गया मैं जब आया था इसे तो
then I came here.
क्या जी? हाँ इसके काम चलता है। ठाकुर जी तो आपने देखा ना शेषपुर के घर में ठाकुर जी था।
The Thakurji was in the room of Sheshai Prabhu.
मैं जब आया तब ये जो पार्टीशन परम गुरु महाराज का पार्टीशन जो था,
when I came, the room of Bhakti Pragyana was here. They had just, they were just doing this renovation because they just said, like demolished Param Guru the room. So when I came, the Thakurji was staying in the Sheshai Prabhu room where Jagannatha used to stay. No, sorry, where Jagannatha stays. So at that time there was not the Vigraha of Param Guru Maharaj. Only Radha Krishna and Mahaprabhu. And Giriraj, they were maybe. And some Lakshmi Vishnu that was now in the temple of Dauji, we sent there. So the Thakurji was staying in the room of Sheshai. So when I came there, this construction was going on. 84 or 83. I think I came in the end of 83, beginning of 84. So
जब ये इंचार्ज दे दिया,
so when he became in charge,
तो उनके व्यवहार बहुत सुंदर
of Bhaktivedanta, of Devananda Gauriya Mata, Srila Madhusudana Maharaj, you know. So he used to cook,
रात 2 बजे
sorry, he used to feed the with his own hands. So if very sweet nature. If somebody came like 1:30, 2 p.m.
ज्यादा बोलते नहीं,
and he didn't speak much.
कोई काम कर रहे हैं तो करे नहीं तो अपने संग करेंगे। हाँ, स्वयं जो है गाय था, गाय के गोबर आदि जो है।
So he used to take, for example, the cow dung and make this cow dung patties for cooking,
पड़ा रहता है ना,
fuel.
माने डस्ट जो है, इसके गोबर लगा कर छोटे-छोटे ऐसे गुल बना देते।
So this dust he would take and also with the cow dung and make small balls.
बगीचा में, यही बगीचा में जहाँ
And also he used to, just now I sing today where he was giving samadhi in that garden, there he used to work, like do so much service there in the garden.
परम गुरु महाराज श्रील महाराज जी जो वहाँ पर धर्मशाला जो बनाया,
And also Srila Maharaj did that dharmashala in the old times. Remember, he used to stay there. He also used to take care of that.
तो सब कुछ काम करते थे।
So he used to do everything.
देखो ना, जैसे हो भंडारी होना माने कि मठ के इंचार्ज होना माने सब प्रकार की
Bandhari, like taking care of the prasada. Actually, you also take care of everything in the temple. He was taking care of everything in the temple and not speaking
धीर स्वभाव की थे,
like with many people. Like he was very calm person.
पास ज्यादा आने लगे।
So that's why people also started coming so much to him.
परम गुरु महाराज ने उनको जब उनके
So
भंडारी बनाया,
when Param Guru Maharaj made him the Bandhari, means like in charge of the food of the temple. There's in the YouTube, he was speaking in Bengali and I was translating in English each word. You know that video?
अब देखा ना YouTube,
Have you seen in the YouTube? He was speaking Bengali and I was translating in English. He was speaking Bengali and I was speaking each word he said,
तो एक ही शब्द जो बोले क्योंकि
whatever he said,
ना हो जाए,
so that no mistake was there in the translation.
इसलिए वो जो बंगला बोल
That's
रहे
why
हैं,
whatever he
एक
told
एक
in
शब्द
Bengali, each
में
word I spoke in English.
इंग्लिश बोल दिया। और उसके जो है हमारे पास जो है वो ब्राजील के भक्त थे,
And the devotees from Brazil were so much there also.
40-25 तो हाँ 40 वही था,
Maybe 40, 45
क्या बोले ब्राजील के भक्त थे,
Brazilian devotees with me
रशिया के भक्त थे,
and from Russia also.
तो इसलिए
So
वो लोग भी रशिया और पुर्तगाली में भी
they also translated in Russian and Portuguese also.
कैसे मठ में आया,
How did he come to the temple? How is the relationship with him and me?
कौन? कानाई प्रभु, शेषाई प्रभु,
So Kanai Prabhu, Sheshai Prabhu and Krishna Kripa.
एक रात में सब घर छोड़
They left the house the same night. The same night they left their house. I told.
ये तो हमारे घर में थे।
He was from my house.
काना ये क्या बोले कृष्ण कृपा प्रभु,
Krishna Kripa Prabhuji, Madhusudana Maharaj.
हमारे घर में तो रहते थे।
He used to stay in my house. He lived in my house.
मैं अपने घर में जा रहा हूँ, उनके घर में तो माँ है नहीं।
He told, "Oh, I'm going to my house," but in his house, his mother was not there. Only his father was alive.
वो मेरे माँ उनको बहुत स्नेह करते थे, छोटा बच्चा था ना।
He was young boy, so my mother used to take so much care of him.
मेरा माँ थे, मैं भी इसलिए मेरा माँ क्या करती थी, हर साल नवदीप धाम।
So that's why my mother every year she used to come for Navadvip Parikrama. I didn't used to come with her.
First and last नवदीप धाम।
So I just
पहली बार आया था, गए नहीं।
the first time I came to Navadvip, I never left.
मेरे माँ जब बोलने लगे,
So my mother told me, "Look, Kanai stays there. His name is Krishna Kripa.
मेरा घर में रहे,
He stayed in my house."
एक बार से
So maybe
मेरे घर में आए थे, माने
2 times after that,
परिक्रमा के बाद
Madhusudana Maharaj came to my house.
एक बार से मैंने उनके देखा, एक बार आए थे।
Maybe he came
मैं नवदीप में
2 times to my house. When I was staying in Navadvipa, he came, I saw.
तुम्हारे घर में गए, तुम्हारे घर में
He told me, "Oh, I went to your house and I took prasad."
मैं तब मैंने ब्रह्मचारी के रूप में रहा,
Then I stayed in Navadvip as a brahmachari.
मेरा घर में ही आ गए, किंतु
He came to my house, but my mother, every year,
आती थी,
she used to come.
लेकिन हम लोग नहीं आते थे।
But I didn't come with her
आना की
because I was thinking I didn't have time to come because so much studying in school and everything.
समय कहाँ है,
How to find all this time?
आज नहीं, तो
So
हर साल आते थे।
every year she used to come. My mother. Have you seen my mother?
देखा वो नवदीप धाम में इसमें तो आए थे, एक बार गुरुदेव के साथ मिले थे।
One time she also met with Gurudev.
महाराज,
Bhagavat Maharaj also, that big one,
महाराज,
like fat. And another Maharaj also was sitting there, and
गंगा स्नान करके आ रही
my mother was coming from taking shower, bathing the Ganges,
मेरे बेटा को रखो ये,
and she told, "Oh, take care of my son like this." She told to Maharaj.
और आश्चर्य की बात,
And something amazing,
शिलो महाराज जी जिस समय शरीर त्याग दिया।
The same day Srila Narayan Maharaj left the body, the same day my mother also left the body. The same day.
कृष्णा नवमी तिथि जो थी,
It was a Krishna Navami Tithi. In the same day, Srila Narayan Maharaj left his body in the morning, like 3 a.m. And my mother
9 बजे
left the body 9 a.m. 9 a.m. In the same day.
इतना difference है।
Only this is the time difference, 6 hours difference of when they left the body.
महाराज जी को 3 बजे
Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj,
महाराज जी शरीर छोड़े।
he left the body like almost 3 a.m. I was in Brazil. I was in Brazil.
क्या बोले ईमेल करके
Then I got some email
ये तो हाँ ऐसे ऐसे
that happened to my mother.
तो वो भी ईमेल तो है शायद मेरा पास अभी तक, मेरा जो है कंप्यूटर में ढूंढना।
So I have to search my computer. I have this like this email there. I remember.
उस समय तो मैं ब्राजील में था।
I was in Brazil at that time.
हाँ आ नहीं पाया।
I could not come.
किंतु मेल मुझे मिला था करीब 6-7 दिन बाद।
But I got the email maybe only 6 or 7 days after.
करीब 6-7 दिन बाद उन्होंने मेल किया था मैंने। तो
So
ये इनकी भजन की निष्ठा इतने।
So he had so much nishtha, I told. Because Param Guru Maharaj, when he made him in charge of the food of the temple, Param Guru Maharaj told him, any brahmachari sannyasi can leave this temple, but you should never leave this temple. Srila Bhakti Pragyana told so, Krishna Kripa Brahmachari. Because when there was the separation of the Devananda Gaudiya Math, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, of course, he used to come here. I used to sleep on the floor. Maybe you've seen him here also, in Mathura. Govardhan also, he came. He also came here and stayed in my room. So they didn't have any division mode. He was so much affectionate. No.
So
Maharaj, Srila Narayan Maharaj told to him, stay with us. But he said, I cannot follow the instructions of my Guru. Because Srila Bhakti Pragyana told me that everybody can leave this temple and the temple might be empty, but you should never leave this temple, Devananda Gaudiya Math. So many times he told me. So all the brahmacharis, when they used to go to Navadvip, they always used to meet him until the end. All of them used to meet him because his affection, his love is unprecedented, like Adbhuta, amazing. So he used to meet with everyone. Srila Tita Maharaj, or also Srila Madhav Maharaj, also Srila Maharaj, all the sannyasis, those who stayed in Keshavaji Gaudiya Math always used to meet with him also. And also maybe 2 times he came also in our Mandala Parikrama and stayed with us. He did Parikrama also. He went to your house.
कार भर वो तो मटर काचे था। तो हाँ फिर बहुत दिन तक सफेद कपड़े में रहे।
So he stayed long time in the white cloth.
हासन जी महाराज जी एक बार जो है कोई एक कथा सुनाता हूँ। ये इस्कन के एक महाराज जी आ गए 96 की कथा।
So there was a ISKCON sannyasi in 1996.
झाड़ू एक बार जो है उनके एक महाराज जी आए थे, बड़े GBC के मेंबर जो है वो हमारे श्री गुरुदेव।
So there was a member of GBC and he told to Srila Gurudev Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj.
ये विदेश में जाकर के हमारे प्रभुपाद के प्रचार की जो है प्रभुपाद के
Okay, this person from GBC came and said, "Oh, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj is preaching in Western countries." Told to Srila
तो मेरा श्री गुरुदेव ने कहा ये देखो,
told to Srila Vamana Maharaj, I think, okay, and then saying, "Oh, Srila Narayana Maharaj is going to Western countries and is destroying the preaching of Swami Prabhupada." Told to Srila Vamana Maharaj. Then Srila Vamana Maharaj said, "Look, although I'm the president of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, all the powers of the institution is with the secretary."
सेक्रेटरी कौन है?
But who is the secretary?
सेक्रेटरी के पास जाके आप विचार करो।
Sorry, Srila Vamana Maharaj told
हमारे
to
गुरुदेव
this
जो है
man
इसकी
of
निंदा नहीं
GBC
सुनते थे।
sannyas.
और निंदा करने वालों
Go
पे
to the
ऐसे
secretary and
कहते
speak
थे,
about this.
जल्दी
Gurudeva never used to criticize or hear any criticism, and he used also to answer like this: Hare Krishna. If somebody criticizes, so then the person would leave.
महाराज जो है,
So this Maharaj,
नारायण महाराज, ये विदेश में जाकर के हमारे प्रभुपाद की विचार और प्रचार को जो है बड़ा विघ्न डालते हैं।
so he was saying, oh, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj is going to the Western countries and he's like spoiling the conceptions of Swami Maharaj that he preaches.
पर ये नहीं है, पावर नहीं है।
So Vamana Maharaj told to this sannyas of ISKCON, oh, I don't have any power to stop
बात
him.
इसके ऊपर है,
All the powers in this institution is with the secretary.
तो सेक्रेटरी के पास जाओ।
So go to the secretary.
वो जब निकल करके आगे,
So when the sannyas of ISKCON went,
कन्हई प्रभु ने कृष्ण के प्रभु से
Kanai Brahmachari was sweeping. He used to, he was sweeping everything because the time of parikrama, people throw everything everywhere,
आते नहीं, कभी आते हैं नहीं।
and maybe sometimes the person who needs to sweep is not sweeping.
पेड़ के नीचे जा झाड़ू दिए।
So he was sweeping the jackfruit tree, and this fat person from the sannyasi from ISKCON said, "Oh, I think it's just the sweeper here." So he said, "Hey, who is the secretary of Gauriya Vedanta Samiti?"
तो उन्होंने कहा देखो,
And he told,
जो प्रवचन
you see, you sit in the temple room, who is giving the preaching, who is giving the class, he is the secretary. So when the Guru Sannyasi from ISKCON, he saw in the temple room who was giving Harikatha, Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. So then he left.
तो इसी प्रकार जो है हमारे श्रील कृष्ण कृपा ब्रह्मचारी,
So our Krishna Kripa Brahmachari, for a long time he stayed as a Brahmachari. Actually we took sannyas together in the year 2000.
12 अथवा 13 न कितना है, 12 और 13 है सन्यास हुए थे हम लोग।
We were like 12 or 13 persons taking sannyas together in the year 2000.
तो देखो उन्होंने क्या की, उन्होंने ये बोले जे मैं लाल कपड़ा नहीं लेना नहीं चाहता कि उनके सब जगह में जाना पड़ता है, बाजार जाना पड़ता है।
So he said, oh, I'll not use saffron cloth.
उनको भी जाना पड़ता है। आज समझिए, विशेष करके नवद्वीप में
Because
लाल कपड़ा हो,
especially in Navadvip, if you use saffron cloth,
निंदा आदि करते हैं,
people maybe criticize you in Navadvip Dham.
और विशेष करके वहाँ सरकार जो होते हैं, के ज्यादा जो लोग होते हैं, सब क्या होता है, सीपीएम पार्टी के लोग होता है, अधिकांश।
Especially the government there, they have something,
तो
this
वो लोग ज्यादातर
Adhikamsha, I could not understand, sorry.
साधु के लाल कपड़ा देखे,
So generally they criticize those sadhus using saffron cloth in Navadvip, like, hey Baba, or something, calling some names or something.
इसलिए उन्होंने लेना।
So he said, I don't want to use saffron cloth because I have to go to the market, many things. So he decided, no. So when he took saffron cloth was when he took sannyas only. Generally people, they use saffron cloth even in brahmachari, like for 1 year, 1.5 years at least. Then he's saying, oh, he'll stay in the temple. Then thinking, then the Guru, okay, sorry, to the temple and stays 1.5 years, 1 year after he's like, he decided he will stay in the temple. Then the Guru will give him saffron cloth as a brahmachari. So then after some time, then the Guru gives him sannyasa, and then then he starts preaching. So the process like this. But Krishna Kripa Brahmachari, he jumps like this from the white cloth, from directly sannyas. Because Gurudeva told, oh, take sannyas. He said, oh, but I didn't even take saffron cloth yet. So he said, if you want to give me some cloth, give me Babaji cloth. Then Narayan Maharaj said, no, what's Babaji? You see that conversation in YouTube. He was speaking Bengali, I was translating in English. Then he took sannyas. So Gurudev gave mantra to everyone. It was the day of Purnima. Then also took mantra from Guru Maharaj according to the rules of the Acharya. So like this, his nature was like this. His nature of service. Sevanishta. Steadiness in the service. Always absorbed in service.
अपने शरीर के प्रति कभी ध्यान भी नहीं दिया, खाना पीने के ध्यान
So he never gave attention to
बुखार भी हो उसमें कोई रसी
to his body. Like even if he was having fever, if there was no one to cook, he used to cook himself. He himself used to cook.
विशेष करके ब्रह्मचारी लोग प्रचार में चले जाते हैं।
So when the brahmacharis used to go for preaching,
और मठ में रहते कम से कम 50-60 तो लोग सब चले जाने पर भी 50-60 लोग रहते हैं।
even everybody traveling,
हम तो देखा
still there was like maybe 40-50 people in the temple because so many Babajis used to live there. Some old people, also some new brahmacharis were living there. Some workers, because they had some printing place. Maybe 10 or 12 persons used to work in the printers, so also they needed to take prasad. Some old devotees, maybe 15 or 16 old people, like devotees living in the temple. So at least every day I've seen maybe 50 or 60 people would take prasad in the temple. 3 times, breakfast, lunch, and evening.
कम से कम 50-60 लोग प्रसाद पाते।
At least 50 or 60
तो
people.
इतने लोगों की रसोई करना फिर जब
So it's good for to all these people and
हो जाते हैं गोल पूर्णिमा के बाद
so
कम उस समय तो 150 से ऊपर लोग हो जाते हैं।
after Gaur Purnima, then maybe much more people, because also the brahmacharis were there for 2-3 months and like maybe some hundreds of people. Then the brahmacharis used to go for collection,
उस समय जो है
collecting.
रसोई बनाने से लेकर के सब का
So he used to do all the things, giving class, harikatha, even some cooking. Sometimes he used to even like do the sringara, like addressing Thakurji, doing puja, everything.
सेवा की ऐसी निष्ठा प्राण।
So much nishtha in the service. And just again, I told he had so much scholarship in the Sanskrit.
मैंने कहा था उस संस्कृत में जो है वहाँ वो पंडित भी बने।
And he also was a pandit in Sanskrit, like that Goswami Maharaj now.
उसके नाम था
His name was
निकुंज प्रभु।
Nikunja Prabhu.
निकुंज बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी। ये दोनों जो है प्रोफेसर थे और उस समय स्कूल के संस्कृत चतुष्पाठी विद्यालय जो है उसमें चलाते थे। गवर्नमेंट से उसमें भी ये आता था, अनुदान आता था। तो इस प्रकार
So like this, he was doing the service in the temple and
फिर सब जगह में जाते थे वो। कभी-कभी 1-2 महीने जो सिलीगुड़ी में चले जाते।
sometimes he used to stay for 1 or 2 months in Siliguri for preaching.
तो पुलिस सिलीगुड़ी के सभी लोग जानते हैं।
In Siliguri, everybody knows him.
जैसे हमारे जो मठ जो बना सिलीगुड़ी का,
Just like that temple he made in Siliguri.
पश्चिम दिशा मुख करके ठाकुर जी हो गया था।
The Thakurji was a little bit facing the west. Then they called him.
बन गया। ठाकुर जी के मुख कैसे होगा पश्चिम दिशा?
How can the Thakurji be facing the west?
ना पश्चिम दिशा ना क्या आपके उत्तर दिशा की तरफ?
No, I think the north. The face of Thakurji was for the north, but it was like opposite. So
तो फिर उन्हें जाकर भी सलाह दी।
he went.
बना सकते हैं शास्त्र युक्ति देखकर।
He told the knowledge of the scriptures. No, you can put to the west then.
जो है ठाकुर जी के मुख
Generally, the face of Thakurji is to the north or to the south, not to the west, never. But when it's not possible, so where to put the face of Thakurji? To the west then. So they did to the back. But so he gave the advice according to the Shastra. He told what to do. Because he had so much knowledge in Shastra. He was a pandit in Sanskrit. So he used to do the vichar, like giving the proper discrimination and saying what. He was so much pandit and explaining all the words of the Sanskrit like this. Even actually I learned to do fire sacrifice from him actually. Then also I learned some from Tita Maharaj, but mainly from him also. I learned how to do fire sacrifice, Griya Pravesh, how to do these ceremonies, the wedding, all the kinds of, like he knew, he had all these good qualities. So this is Viraha Tithi, separation day. I think he was 82 years old, I think. So tomorrow 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. we got the message. Maharaj gave the message that his health was very bad. Before we had the news that his health was better, And then on the 5th, he would leave the hospital.
नेगेटिव हो गया
That he was negative with coronavirus. He was negative. We got this news.
ये समझता जो रिपोर्ट आया
So we got this report that he was going to leave the hospital.
मेरा भी विचार था
So we were
के लिए चला आगे चले जाता हूँ थोड़ा एक बार अंतिम दर्शन
okay. I'll be able to have his antim darshan, his last. I'll be able to see him here last time for the last time. I was thinking.
वो आ जाएंगे अस्पताल में छुट्टी दे देंगे
So we knew he was going to leave the hospital, like because he was okay.
समाचार आया
But yesterday in the evening,
5 बजे हम
maybe 5 or 6 or 7, like in the evening time,
निकाल रहे थे तब सुन
when we came back from the parikrama, like 5ish, we went to Gopinath Bhavan and saw Uma Didi,
महाराज की फोन आ गया
and Maharaj got a call
महाराज की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है
saying that Maharaj's health was not good.
में है बहुत संकट अवस्था में
It was very calamity problem.
पता नहीं
At the end, I don't know what happened exactly, but
इसके बाद जो है करीब हम जब परिक्रमा करके जब हम
so
आ रहे
when we were coming back from parikrama,
7 बजे
7 p.m.
सॉरी छोड़ा 6:35 पर
I think he left the body actually 6:35.
तो डिक्लार हुआ 6:35 तक तो हम जब आ रहे थे हम और उन्होंने नरसिंह महाराज और ब्रह्मचारी हम लोग जब आ रहे थे तो मैं अनिक कर रहा था कार में बैठ
So actually, I sat down. I was doing the anik. After I finished my anik, they told me
अभी चले गए
Maharaj just left.
बहुत दुख हुआ बहुत हृदय में बहुत इतना है
I felt so much pain in my heart.
सारे शरीर कांपने लगे
I was having Darshan Thakurji. My body was shaking. My body was shaking. I didn't want to speak with anyone. I came to my room.
क्योंकि जब मठ में मैं आया था उन्होंने मुझे पहले जो है मैं जब मठ में आया था
Because when I came to the temple,
उन्होंने उनकी कमरा में ही रहता था
I used to stay in his room.
तकिया पर खट के ऊपर सोते थे मैं नीचे सोता था
So he was sleeping on top and I was sleeping on the like near his bed on the ground just near him inside his room. And he used to have so much love and affection for me.
ब्लड कनेक्शन तो है ही है आप लोगों ने सुना है
First of all,
ब्लड कनेक्शन है
we had this blood connection, wasn't it?
बात है उनके पास रहना ना कोई आते तो बहुत स्नेह आते
So whoever knew used to come with him. He used to have so much love and affection for him.
उन्होंने सबसे में क्या रखते थे उनके जो क्या बक्से के चाबी जो अपने पैता में रखते
So he always used to have the key
क्योंकि कहाँ रखे थे
in his sacred thread.
हर समय तो किसी को पैसा देना ये करना जो
Because sometimes he needed to give money to someone. He was in charge of all the temple, all the money. So
आदि काम करते थे
he used to, at the time especially,
बन रहा था
you know, they were constructing the Dharmashala. So like he used to take care of all this money, and so he used to give the key to the chest of the money. So sometimes he used to give the key to me also. This key of all the money to me.
जब उसमें सब देखभाल करते
So he used to take care of everything. So I think he left actually 6:45 p.m. yesterday. 6:45 I think Gurudev said. So before coming to the temple, I never saw him.
वो तो जब थे तब तो मैं छोटा था
Because when he was living in the house, I was so small. Actually, I didn't even see him when I was a kid. So when he was staying with my house,
वो भी करीब 7-8 साल का होगा से
he was maybe 7 or 8 years old, and then he went to his house, and then he came here.
करके उन्होंने जो मैंने कहा ना उसमें यहाँ पर पढ़ा संस्कृत पढ़ा
So I told that he studied Sanskrit or many things in school also here.
हाँ हमारी माँ आती थी
My mother used to come. My mother, she used to come to Devananda Gauriya Mata. Because my mom, she used to say, oh Kanai is so beautiful, where is Kanai? So his name was Kanai. So my mom used to be like disturbed that he was not in the house anymore. So, but Param Guru Maharaj gave him Diksha Krishna Kripa. And Srila Gurudev gave him Sannyasa Madhusudana Maharaj name. So my mother, every year, she used to come, except for maybe 1 or 2 years, she always came to Navadip Parikrama. But I didn't come because I didn't have so much time. I was studying school and university, and I also didn't have like holidays.
उस समय तो सारे स्कूल के जो है वो चलता रहता है एग्जाम्पल से
You know, this time exactly of the parikrama, everything is a time of examination in the schools. So I could not come, you know, I have these exams and the schools, but my mother used to come.
तो फिर माँ आकर के
So my mom used to come and she used to tell about 2 people, about Srila Gurudeva Narayan Maharaj and also about Krishna Kripa. So my mother used to tell me, oh, there is a Maharaj there speaking so sweet, so sweet. I cannot understand. He speaks in Hindi and Bengali,
किंतु कहते हैं बहुत
but
सुंदर,
it's
बहुत सुंदर,
so
मीठा
beautiful and very sweet to listen to him. So I was asking my mother, what is he telling? But my mother could not even repeat,
रहने वाले जो होते हैं
because
ना,
people from village
और शहर के रहने
and people
रहने
from
वाले जो
city,
बांग्ला में कुछ
the Bengali from village and from city, there is a little bit difference. And the Bengali of Maharaj, so Narayan Maharaj,
बांग्ला होते हैं, शहर के बांग्ला और हिंदी मिला जुला, बिहार के बांग्ला मिला जुला हुआ है।
it was very sweet, but also a mixture
তোমরা
of.
কেমন আছো? তোমরা ভালো আছো? ভালো তোমরা খাবো না?
So Gurudev now is speaking in Bengali like Shri Narayan Maharaj.
ये शब्द जो है, कुछ कुछ शब्द में जो है उसमें थोड़ा ये लगता था, तो बोलते थे जो बहुत भाषण शब्द मिठास,
So it was very sweet.
हरी कथा मुझे अच्छा ज्यादातर बोलते थे।
So his Harikatha was also very sweet.
मन में उसकी भावना हुआ, चलो एक बार नवदीप धाम करके आते हैं।
So she was thinking. So I was thinking, oh, I want to come to Navadvip Dham and to see this Maharaj.
आने की प्रेरणा जो है मेरी माँ से।
So actually, I got the inspiration from my mother to come to Navadvip. My mom inspired me to come to Navadvip. Then I came to Navadvip.
मैं आज जब आगे फिर उनके साथ
Then when I came,
पहली दर्शन किया।
I had first his darshan.
मेरा याद है मैट्रिक इसमें 3-4 बजे जो है नवदीप स्टेशन में उतरे।
So I came maybe 3 or 4 in the station. So it was just maybe 5-7 minutes to come to the temple.
पुजारी को मैंने कहा,
The pujari told me. So I asked, well, who is Krishna Kripa? Because I've never seen him. My mother used to tell him that his name was Krishna Kripa. I just knew his name was Krishna Kripa. Understand? Then I asked the pujari, and the pujari told me, oh, he's staying here upstairs. Then I met him. Then from that temple, I stayed in the temple. I never left. Until now, I've never come to my, never went to my house, I've never gone to my house again. So after 1.5 years, I came to Mathura. So when I used to go to Navadvip, Maharaj, Shri Narayan Maharaj, he already bought the ticket for me to come back. Like, okay, you go to Navadvip for Parikrama, but come back. Because at that time there was not so many brahmacharis here, especially there were only old people here in Mathura. So all the brahmacharis, when they used to go for Navadvip, Maharaj, Shri Narayan Maharaj used to say, okay, go, but quickly and come back, because so many things to do here. Sabda Thakurji asked for donation. So the temple used to live in the donations before. It was very difficult to keep the temple and everything. So at that time, so you just say only maybe 5 or 7 days in Navadvip. Okay, 5 days in Parikrama, 1 day to come and 1 day to come back. So not more than 7 days you used to go. Okay, 5 days in the Parikrama you're completely busy, isn't it? Have to go here and there, don't have so much time. So I have to bring some devotees, for example, in the place of Advaita Acharya, so in the perfect place of Advaita Acharya. So you don't have much time.
टिकट काटने के लिए जो यात्री को जो पैसा होती है उसमें बैठने के लिए हो जाता था, तो इसलिए क्या है, क्योंकि मैं हो जाता था, एक समय बना लेते, लास्ट के दिन एक चक्र जाते थे.
But in the last day,
ऐसा नहीं, एक चक्र जो है मैं हर साल जाता था.
Every day, every year, every last year of the Navadvip, I also used to go, always used to go to Eka Chakra. Always, before, nowadays, always, I will go to Eka Chakra. So, one of the days, the end day, last day of Parikrama. So, now I'm remembering one shloka. Namashrishtam Manu Api.
हाँ, तो रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी की जो क्या बोले उनके गुरु,
the guru of Raghunath Das Goswami, Jadananda Acharya.
वही होता है.
So he's like this for me. So who gave me inspiration to come to Mathura?
Srila Maharaj ji नहीं, मुझे
Srila Maharaj ji. He gave me this inspiration.
मुझे तो ये लोग मीटिंग में बताया था कि प्रेस में रहना है, नहीं तो दूसरी कहीं मठ में जाने के लिए बोला था, है. किंतु मधुसूदन महाराज जी ने बोले,
Madhusudana Maharaj told,
कृष्ण गुरु जी, देखो यहाँ पर है तो तुम्हारे कुछ जीवन का कुछ ये नहीं होगा, डेवलप नहीं होगा, काम पर करना पड़ेगा. मथुरा में जाओ, कुछ हरि कथा भी मिलेगा.
if you stay here, your life will not develop. But if you go to Mathura, you'll be able to evolve, to study. Because Srila Maharaj, Narayan Maharaj is giving teaching to all the So everyone in Mathura.
शाम के समय 3-3 क्लास होता था.
So you used to have the classes 3 times a day. Shanarayan Maharaj used to sit and give a class. So there was a meeting in Navadvip and somebody told to Shilavana Maharaj stay in Navadvip in the press doing work there. Then Madhusudana Maharaj told no, better he goes to Navadvip to Mathura really because he'll be able to progress his studies and like this. So Shanarayan Maharaj used to teach Jaiva Dharma for 5 days, 5 years, sorry. We studied Jaiva Dharma, all the Sandarbhas. 3 Sandarbhas was going on at the time I came. Tata Sandarbha, Krishna Sandarbha and Bhakti Sandarbha. 3 Sandarbha Maharaj used to speak. I got this good fortune of having Maharaj, Narayan Maharaj speaking this later. Mercifully, Gurudev also taught Jaiva Dharma, sitting with all the brahmacharis. So that's why I got this enthusiasm. I've seen, I told you that Tirtha Maharaj, he was Subhananda Brahmachari. He gave a beautiful lecture. When I listened to his lecture, like everybody became amazed how he was speaking Sanskrit and shlokas in Sanskrit. So I asked, this brahmachari is from where? Then Krishna Kripa, my chachaji, my uncle told, paternal uncle, he told, oh, he stays in the Mathura with Narayan Maharaj. Everybody who stays there with him, they are so much qualified in all the Shastra Siddhanta, and they are perfect in all the sevas like this. So I was having this mood, this desire in my mind. He told me, do one thing. Go with Maharaj, with Shanarayan Maharaj. And also Shanarayan Maharaj also called to me. Oh, let's come to Mathura, listen Braj Katha, like this. And another inspiration also, this Akinchana Maharaj, who now stays in Govardhan. He said, he used to tell one katha. In Vrindavan, everybody speaks Radhe Radhe. Even the parrots in Vrindavan speaks Radhe Radhe. And the peacock also speaks Radhe Radhe. So I was thinking, is this really true? Everybody speaks Radhe Radhe? He's like, yes, he used to tell this. Akinchana Maharaj. So I also had this desire in my mind, because Shastra says about the Braj that in Vrindavan everybody speaks Radhe Radhe. So he used to say, even the parrots say Radhe Radhe, even the peacocks. Nobody speaks Krishna Krishna in Vrindavan. So when I came here, I've seen, what is the peacock speaking Radhe Radhe? I don't see this. What is the cuckoo speaking Radhe Radhe? Then one day I asked Maharaj, and he told me. I was talking about Aprakrita Vrindavana. You do bhajan, then one day you understand. So what I'm speaking or not, you'll not be able to understand. Doing bhajan slowly. When your bhajan be ripen, you'll understand. So I'm remembering all these kathas. So really, who inspired me to come to Mathura? Both of them. Akinchana Maharaj and also Krishna Kipra. He told me, go to Mathura and it will be good to stay there with Shanarayan Maharaj. But what's the bad thing for me here? 2 things were bad for me here. First, we cannot get rice at that time here. At that time, the rice, only in the day of Dwadasi there was rice here before. In the beginning, only in the day of Dwadasi there was rice here in the temple. Every day was not rice, there was no rice. Because people, they don't eat rice so much, they only give the atta, the wheat flour. So 2 Babajis, they got this donation of wheat flour and Padmanabha Maharaj also used to stay here. So he used to do some collection, and also Raghunath, that the Brahmachari also, they used to get a little bit of money. The Dharmashala didn't give so much money at that time, because this Dharmashala was not so beautiful. So people didn't used to come, because the temple, this looked like, like some ghost place. Like, and also there was people used to speak that because actually one person died here. And also one person who was in the hospital before, he came here and he killed himself. And then after 10 days we discovered that he killed himself in the well. There's a well here. So he was inside the well. Just where they put in the downstairs where they put these bigger pots, there was a well there. So there was a well.
कई बार तो लोग मर तो एक व्यक्ति तो मर तो यहाँ पर जो इस तरफ जो ये था कमरा था छोटा छोटा,
So there was some rooms also there.
उसमें जो ये हमारी माता जी आती है ना बंगाली जो है,
Our Mataji from Bengal, she used to stay and she used to give 2 rupees and she used to sell some clothes.
2 रुपया दे दे, इस नीचे कमरे में रहा था, ये कमरे में
Like he's saying how much money they used to get with the Dharmashala, the rooms.
किराए में रहे फिर चले गए। तो इसे मठ के हमारे इतने पैसा भी
So this temple did not get so much money at that time. Didn't get.
तो आज जैसे स्थिति है,
But nowadays what is going on?
किंतु आज से 30-35 साल या 40 साल
30 or 35 years ago or 40 years ago was too much like worse the conditions.
कितने आए कितने गए,
How many people came, how many left?
जो कथा जो कर रहे हैं,
And especially
सीधी बात है, हम बंगाली होने के नाते हम चावल
because I'm Bengali, we have the habit of eating rice, and also here is so hot also.
तो गर्मी हमें जो नहीं हमारे सहन नहीं होती।
So I could not tolerate this heat.
कई बार मैं बीमार पड़ गया।
Many times I became sick, not once, many times.
हमारे शिला महाराज जी
Our Shila Maharaja,
पड़ गए तो मुझे महाराज
when I became sick,
कलेक्शन में जाओ, कलेक्शन में करता था।
so I used to do the service of collection, but it was so hot. Nowadays also hot.
धीरे-धीरे कुछ तो चेंज।
But I'm seeing that slowly the time is changing, like the weather is changing. But at that time was too hot. For a Bengali to stay here is like a sadhana.
पानी भी खारी पानी।
Also the water is so salty here. Nowadays there are so many arrangements like facilities like
क्या लगा है समर के ना क्या लगा है ना पानी नीचे उठा कर, उस समय ऐसे थोड़ी था। नल के पानी देखा मीठे पानी वो कभी आता था कभी वो खारी पानी आता था। यहाँ पर विकास मार्ग यहाँ पर ये नल लगा था।
So there was
वहीं पर वहीं से पानी लेकर
before I used to take from Vikas Market the water, just like Tita Maharaj used to say that he used to bring 2 buckets in his hand bringing water and speaking shlokas. But nowadays there is water here, but before no. So the conditions of the temple at that time and this time is just like the difference between earth and sky. You see so at that time to stay in the temple was so difficult because I'm Bengali, so I like to eat the rice, but here there's no rice.
क्या चीज? वही तो बता रहा हूँ ना, पीने का पानी और खारी पानी कभी नहीं आया तो वो भी लाना पड़ता है ना। खारी पानी वो हाथ धोने के लिए सब नहीं।
So sometimes there was only like this salty water, so how to find this good water like this.
देखे ना, और फिर हम लोग यहाँ से जो है वो बना करके ये लाते थे, कैला जो है ना कैला, जो यहाँ पर जो
so this coal, so they used to go to the like railway, some coal, the charcoal, it was falling from the train sometimes, so we used to go to the railway and bring this charcoal and mixing with the cow dung to make fuel for cooking. Nowadays it's gas and everything, but at the time no.
आप लोग देखे होंगे लकड़ी का वो ये चलता था।
So for years and years, this was only firewood. This cook here, this kitchen here.
फिर उसके जो है गोबर कंडा लेकर के आता था।
Then they used to also use this fuel of cow dung with charcoal like this. Then when they have so more money, then we started buying firewood to cook.
फिर आजकल तो लकड़ी भी बंद हो गया।
Nowadays they even stopped the firewood, only gas. Cooking with gas. So that time the conditions and nowadays is so different, isn't it? So used to do to many places to ask for donation.
खाने के लायक नहीं था, उसमें तो ये धान मिला रहता था।
But actually it was some rice, we got some donation, but it was some rice which is not good, and when boiled it's not good and also mixed, then so for Bengalis staying in this temple was so difficult. For Bengalis,
कई बार बीमार पड़ जाते।
Many times I got sick.
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ ना, मैं कई बार बीमार पड़ गया।
Many times, not once.
देना पड़ता था मुझे। हर साल में गर्मी के समय जो है मुझे ग्लूकोज चढ़ना पड़ता था। कई बार तो यही अस्पताल में भर्ती करे।
Many times I was in the hospital in the summertime. So many times.
तो मैंने एक बार गुरुदेव की बोला।
Once I told to Gurudev what to do. My Gurudev Vamana Maharaj came here.
गुरुदेव बोले नहीं।
I said, should I leave this temple? But Vamana Maharaj told me, no, you have to stay here.
यहाँ पर रहो।
Stay here.
फिर गुरुदेव की कृपा से।
Then by the mercy of Gurudev,
चल रहे हैं वो।
now it's
तो मेरा जो मथुरा अनंत नाम सच्चो मनोभी सचित्र स्वरूपम रूपम तस्व भुजम माधुर राष्ट्र क्या बोला? गोष्ठवाटिम राधा पुण्य ग्रीमो राधिका माधवं से प्राप्त जैसे प्रथित कृपया तुम गुरु न तो उसमें न सुनो। ये रघुनाथ, ये जो
So this sloka of Raghunatha Das Goswami Namashestam Manuapi. So I feel like this in my life also. Who inspired me to come to Vraj and Mathura? This good fortune I got to come here. Actually, it was by the causeless mercy of Madhusudana Maharaj. And also, Srila Narayan Maharaj gave me mercy and gave me shelter at his lotus feet here. And so much love and affection kept me here in Mathura Mart. And also,
ये रखे, इसलिए ये मठ में रहा गया। और
and I stayed in the temple. So
कितने मठ, हमारे मठ में कितने लोग आए इस मठ के,
so many people came to this temple and left. So left this temple and also went other places or disappeared. So some people they go from one temple to other temple, but at that time
हम लोग कहीं नहीं जाते,
I never went anywhere.
मथुरा छोड़कर के कहीं नहीं।
Like I came and never went any place. Like I just stayed in Mathura Mart.
तो उस समय से इस मठ में रहा।
Since that time I just stayed here in this temple.
और महाराज के हरि कथा इतनी मिठास जो है,
So the Harikatha of Maharaj is so sweet, like Sri Narayan Maharaj. Also so much love and affection.
महाराज शासन जितना करते थे,
So Maharaj used to chastise also us to discipline, like give so much chastisement, but this is also affection. So this was a special quality of Maharaj.
लोगों के कम मिलता है,
And very less people have this quality. He chastises, and at the same time he's so like friendly, and with so much affection. Friendly and affection, at the same time he's chastising.
आज समझिए, बहुत दिन की एक कथा होती है।
So Narayan Goswami Maharaj.
पहले दिन मैंने कीर्तन किया।
So first time I was doing the kirtan.
इस कथा के होने के बाद 6 से 7 गुरुदेव के,
So 6 to 7 Gurudev used to speak Harikatha. Then from 7 to
समाप्त हो जाते, फिर 7:30 से 8 तक जो है कीर्तन होता था, 8 से 8:30
Okay.
9 बजे तक प्रवचन होता था।
Okay, sorry. So when he told all the times, sorry. So when the kirtan started,
बोले तुम कीर्तन करो।
so Shri Prabhu told me to do the kirtan. So I was doing the kirtan, Radhe, 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 with the gong.
8 बज गया।
Maharaj was only watching. It was already 8 p.m. but the Harikatha hadn't started yet.
महाराज कुछ नहीं बोले।
After some time, the Katha started,
करके लिख देता हूँ।
and after Harikatha started, then next day Shri Prabhu was singing, oh, I'll also sing like this. So he was just singing so much, and Gurudev came and beat so much Shri Prabhu. Shri Prabhu, he was the servant of Gurudev.
सही प्रभु जो है,
So Gurudev beat so much Shri Prabhu at that time. So Shri Prabhu was with the servants of Gurudev in the past.
इसके बाद जो है वो कौन था?
Then became that brahmachari,
लक्ष्मण प्रभु थे।
Lakshman Prabhu also.
आज समझिए नहीं, किंतु वास्तव में देखा जाए,
But if you see,
मथुरा के गुरुदेव के जब प्रथम सेवक होगा,
the first servants of Gurudev in Mathura was Shri Prabhu.
तो गुरुदेव भी उसके भी शासन भी करते थे।
So Gurudev also used to chastise him so much.
गुरुदेव बोले आज यदि कोई ब्रह्मचारी के, गुरुदेव बोले आज कोई ब्रह्मचारी करे तो मैं उसको पीटूंगा। मैं समझ गया।
So I understood. I saw the Baba of Gurudev. Then I understand. I understood because when I sang, I passed the proper time. Like I was late in the singing. Like I should have finished before. But the next day, Gurudev chastised Shri Prabhu about this, so I understood. Actually, also my fault. So anyway, Gurudev used to chastise so much, but at the same time, he had so much love and affection with everyone.
तो गुरुदेव की इसी प्रकार से मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है, मथुरा में रहने की बात ये भी विशेष है।
So the speciality of staying in Mathura was the affection of Gurudev here, his love, and also the Harikatha of Gurudev was so special.
जितने लोगों की आप हरिकथा सुन लिया,
if you listen Harikatha from other people, and when you listen Harikatha from Gurudev, you think I don't need any other people Harikatha, any other Harikatha, because if the Rasagul is so sweet, so the Rasagul is enough for you, because you have to finish with the sweet thing. So the Harikatha of Gurudev was like this.
फिर आगे जाकर के कथा हम श्रवण करेंगे।
Later we'll also listen more. So the relationship of Gurudev and Madhusudana Maharaj. So later tomorrow also we'll speak, because Madhava Maharaj will also speak now. Just the first lines that we missed the translation.
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम राम।
So, first of all, my obeisances to my Guru Pada Padma.
उत्तर सदस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत शिलवामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रील नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत शास्त्रों का धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् मधुसूदन गोस्वामी महाराज के चरण कमलों में
And also my obeisances to the lotus feet of Madhusudana Goswami Maharaj. And also Prapuja Charan Shila Madhav Maharaj, Shila Narasimha Maharaj, so all the Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis. Today,
नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद
Pravishtam Vishnupada Stotara Shata Shila Bhakti Vedanta Madhusudana Goswami Maharaj.
कुछ प्रकाश डालना
I want to manifest some of his life history.
इसी शब्दों में क्योंकि आप लोगों ने हर साल जाते हैं।
So every year used to go for Navadip Parikrama, you all go.
भले ही 2 मठ हो जाए 3 मठ हो जाए किंतु उससे कुछ होता ही नहीं है। किंतु हमारे मधुसूदन महाराज की के दर्शन के लिए और उनकी कथा आदि सुनने के लिए सभी भक्त लोग
So all the devotees they used to gather to have the darshan of Srila Madhusudana Maharaj and to hear from him. Even
उनके पास जाते थे
those
जाते थे दर्शन करके
the new people also used to go to have his darshan
क्योंकि उनके इतने स्नेह ममता
because he used to have so much love and affection.
अवर्णनीय
This is like undescribable.
शब्द के द्वारा हम
We cannot describe with words his love and affection.
उनकी सेवा की मूर्ति जो है
He was the person embodiment of service. His service was like without precedents, unprecedented. So
कुछ एक टाइटल दिया था।
Srila Bhakti Pragyana gave him a title about his service, for his service.
सेवक रत्न ऐसे कुछ
Sevakaratna or something like this.
सेवक रत्न
Sevaratna
सेवक में जो रत्न स्वरूप
means that's the jewel of all the servants. From all the servants is like a jewel.
जब भी देखोगे सेवा करते थे।
So he was always serving.
लेकर के सब प्रकार की सेवा
Even small service, he used to do everything.
झाड़ू देना से लेकर के
Like sweeping even,
मंदिर पूजा तक रस्सी बनाना
doing puja, cooking.
जो भागवत हरि कथा भी माने भागवत पाठ भी करते थे।
Harikatha also like speaking Bhagavatam.
जैसे सब लोग चले जाते हैं।
Sometimes everybody used to leave, like was not in the temple. Even those who were giving Harikatha, they were gone to like maybe like to collect donation for Navadip Parikrama. So himself he used to give Harikatha.
हाँ राधा जी के तो उसके
Yes, and he used to speak so much about Srimati Radhika. I remember he was speaking about the 5 kinds of Lakshmis.
वो गर्ग संहिता से
According to Garga Samhita, he was speaking all this.
तो महादेव भी तो बोले 5 प्रकार लक्ष्मी कहाँ है बोले गर्ग संहिता में है।
So he said, oh, this is in the 5. Is it this 5 types of Lakshmi are explained in the Garga Samhita.
होता है लक्ष्मी कहा जाता है धनदात्री लक्ष्मी कहा जाता
So there is the Dhanadhatri Lakshmi, which is in this world.
कहा जाता है।
Svarga Lakshmi also,
एक
who is
होता
in
है
Swarga.
वैकुंठ लक्ष्मी।
Vaikuntha Lakshmi, another Lakshmi. Mahavaikuntha Lakshmi, fourth. And Sarva Lakshmi Mahishmati Radhika.
इसलिए 5 राधे के
So that's why there are 5 kinds of Lakshmis. So he told. This also is explained in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Understand? So
यहाँ पर भी राधाष्टमी का आप बहुत याद दिला दिया जी।
So now you remind me about the Radhashtami when he was here. Yeah, this is true. He was speaking about Srimati Radhika and
नहीं आप ठीक याद किया।
you remind me nicely. Yes, this is true.
तो हमारे उसको फिर 1 मिनट के लिए खड़े करके बोले, अच्छा बताओ ये 5 प्रकार के लक्ष्मी कहाँ का है? तब उसे कहा ये गर्ग संहिता में और संहिता में और शास्त्र में। हाँ वो तो
Okay, so I think from here we started already translating. Jai Sri Gurudev ki jai.